Cambridge International Level Sociology, the family.
What is the extent of family diversity and to what extent is the nuclear family still dominant? Family diversity has increased significantly in recent decades, reflecting changes in social norms, economic conditions, cultural attitudes, and legal frameworks. While the nuclear family remains a common and influential family form in many societies, its dominance has diminished, and diverse family structures and arrangements have become more prevalent. Here's an overview of the extent of family diversity and the status of the nuclear family. Extent of family diversity. Family diversity encompasses a wide range of family structures, compositions, and arrangements, including nuclear families, extended families, lone parent families, reconstituted families, same-sex families, families of choice, and single-person households. Societies around the world exhibit varying degrees of family diversity, influenced by cultural, economic, and historical factors. Industrialized societies tend to exhibit greater family diversity compared to traditional agrarian or patriarchal societies. Family diversity is influenced by factors such as changing gender roles, increasing divorce rates, declining marriage rates, rising cohabitation rates, advancements in reproductive technologies, migration and globalization, and shifts in societal attitudes towards marriage, parenting, and sexuality. Status of the nuclear family. The nuclear family, consisting of two parents, typically a heterosexual married or cohabiting couple, and their biological or adopted children living together in the same household, has historically been considered the dominant family form in many Western societies. While the nuclear family continues to be prevalent, its dominance has decreased over time as other family forms have become more common and socially accepted. Factors contributing to the decline in the dominance of the nuclear family include increasing divorce rates. Divorce and separation have led to a rise in lone parent families and reconstituted families, altering the traditional nuclear family structure. Changing attitudes towards marriage, declining marriage rates and increasing cohabitation rates indicate a shift away from the institution of marriage as the primary form of family formation. Rise of non-traditional family forms. Same-sex families, chosen families, and single-person households challenge traditional notions of family structure and composition, diversifying familial relationships and living arrangements. Economic factors. Economic instability, housing affordability, and employment trends influence individuals' decisions regarding family formation and household arrangements, contributing to family diversity. Overall, while the nuclear family remains a common family form, its dominance has decreased as societies have become more diverse and inclusive of alternative family structures and arrangements. Understanding and recognizing this diversity is essential for promoting inclusivity, equity, and support for all types of families and households within societies.